Many of you played GTA 5 and know how enormous this game is in terms of size. It has one of the biggest open world map in this genre, and as a result, the size of the game is around 74 GB, which is quite large considering my MacBook's internal storage. So now imagine a situation where you accidentally deleted that game or any other important file of yours. Whether that file is any video or picture or any other type of file, what will you do now? So to solve this issue, today in this video I want to show you that how to recover any heavy file like a GTA 5 game after deleting it permanently. So for that I'm going to use a software called Recovery Master. So Recovery Master provides all type of solution for data or file deletion, format, virus attack, system or hard disk failure, etc. So Recovery Master recovers data from a wide range of devices such as hard drive, SSD, USB drive, laptop, desktop, recycle bin, camera, music player and even more. So with advanced algorithm and program support from Recovery Master, 1000 plus type of files are available to be restored, including all formats of graphics, videos, audios, emails and documents, etc. So let's start the video and see whether the Recovery Master will be able to recover the GTA 5 game after I delete it in front of you for permanently. Okay, so I am also not sure that whether this software is able to recover the GTA 5 game, but I am just risking my game in the just trust of this name. Okay, so let's start this video without wasting any time. So here you can see guys, I'm into my computer and here you can see I already installed the software. So this is the Recovery Master software which I'm going to use to recover a game that I'm going to delete in front of you. So first of all, guess which game I'm going to delete in front of you, and that game is the GTA 5, a game of a size of around more than 70 GB, and I'm just going to delete it and going to recover it using this software. Okay, so let's check whether this software is going to work or not. Okay, so you can see this is my Samsung T5 SSD and I have my game installed in this SSD, and it is having the storage of 465 GB, and right now 34.5 GB is free, and this is my computer's internal hard disk. So first of all, let me open my SSD. So you can see this is my Grand Theft Auto 5 game folder, and you can see in the properties you can see the size of this file is around 71.5 GB. Okay, so this is the file size of 71 GB, and I'm going to delete it, and after that I'm going to recover it using this software. Okay, now let's click on the OK and let me open it and just make it sure that this is the game GTA 5 that I'm going to delete it. Here you can see GTA 5 launcher, and it is the run GTA 5. So basically this is the cracked version of GTA 5 and its size is around 24 GB. Now let's try this thing, and I'm just going to delete it without having any backup of this game. I'm just going to just trust on this software that whether this is going to be work or not. So let's find out in this video. So let me click on delete, and here it will say the size is too large to be recycled. So you want to delete it permanently, so I will simply click on yes, I want to delete it permanently. Now it's gone. Now it's permanently gone. Now I can't find it in my SSD. Here you can see there is not any game folder of the GTA, and you can see there is a folder of games, but it have the Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. So I don't have the GTA 5 here, and even I will just slide down, you can see their PC games folder and it has Mafia 2 and Witcher 3 setup. So I don't have the GTA 5 here in my SSD, and I just deleted it in front of you. Now the next thing is that how I'm going to just recover it using the Recover Master software. Okay, so first of all let me minimize it. So let me just launch the Recovery Master software here, and let's try to recover the GTA 5 using this software. Okay, so you can see it's launching. So here you can see guys, this is the home screen of the Recovery Master software, and you can see it's showing up all the possible storage devices connected to your PC. Here you can see this showing the internal hard disk of my PC, which is having the 4 partition with the local disk C, D, E and F name, and here you can see the external drive that is my Samsung T5 is showing here, and even you can just specify any specific location from here you want to just recover any type of file. Okay, so here you can see this is the recycle bin, desktop or any particular folder you can select for recovery of any type of file, and even you can just recover the file from any crashed computer. Okay, so you can just use this software to recover any type of file using the this software. Okay, now my target here is to just recover the GTA 5 game that I just deleted in front of you. So first of all, select the Samsung T5 SSD here, and I will just select on the loss scan. So it will start the scanning process here, and you can see it's already completed up to 98%. It's pretty fast, it don't take a lot of time. Here you can see it's already showing some of name of the file which is deleted from my SSD. And right now I can't find any file which I was searching for. Okay, so I will simply click on the cross. Actually I just double clicked on this one of this file. So right now it's just loading all the things. Till the time when it will complete it, I have to wait here. So the process is very simple. Just download and install this software and just select any storage device that you want to be used for recovery process, and after that it will start the scan process, and then it will show all the files which is available. Then select any file and just click on the recover. You can see it's already just scanned this much of files, and right now it's set it up to 1,72,515 files to be scanned. Okay, so let it to be complete so that I can just go ahead. So you can see guys, the scanning process is completed, and here I will select please confirm. I will just click on confirm. Now what I will do, I will search from this hierarchy that whether my Grand Theft Auto file folder is present here or not. So this is the Grand Theft Auto folder that I just deleted in front of you, and it's showing up here in this scan result. Okay, so what I will do, I simply click on it, and I will check whether all the files that was already present in the Grand Theft Auto 5 folder or not. And here you can see it has the uninstall.exe and run GTA5.exe. So I think it's have all the required files which were earlier present in the Grand Theft Auto folder when I deleted it. So what I'm going to just do, I simply click on this on check, and I will click on the recover. So the same process you have to do. Simply just select any folder that you deleted earlier. You can see some of my old folders that I deleted earlier, it's now showing here. So here you can see there also one folder with GTA 5 backup which I deleted very long time ago, but this one is showing here which I just deleted in front of you. And now what I'm going to do, I simply click on this and click on the recover. So you can see it's asking me to where I want to store the recovered file. So you can see it's showing all the possible locations. So first of all, I go to my this PC and just see which one has the good amount of storage. So you can see the local disk F have the very good amount of storage, free storage. So what I will do, I simply click on the F and I will click on the recover. Here you can see it's exporting the file. So right now still I'm not fully sure that whether this software is going to work or not, or whether I already lost my GTA 5 game just in the testing this software, but I have faith on this software that maybe it will work. And in front of you can see it's just exporting the file, and there also you can just check the time. Right now here is at 8:28, and let's see how much time it will take to export or to recover the file of a size of around 74 gigabyte. And in that way you will be able to take a prediction that how much time it will take for you to recover any size of a file you want to recover, whether it is in a files from a damaged hard disk or damaged pen drive. So all things can be recovered using this software, that is the Recovery Master. Okay, just remember the steps that I showed in the video and just wait for this process to complete. Okay, so let me back when this file exporting process will be completed, and then I will meet you there. So here you can see guys, the recovery process is now completed and it's showing me a folder like H, and I will just double click on it and I will again open the GTA 5 folder, and right now you can see it's everything back here. I think wait, let me see whether the launcher of the GTA 5 is present here or not. Okay, here it is. So this is GTA 5 launcher and GTA 5 here. So this is all the executable files which are required to run the GTA 5. So it means guys, it's fully backup or recover the GTA 5 pack after deleting it completely. So let me first of all check the size of the file here. You can see, let me go to the properties, and here you can see it is having the size of 108 GB. Okay, so I think it means that it has all the others required all the other saved files that I already have in my GTA 5, because a few days ago I just added a mode in it, and after that I removed it, and I think it is also adding up or backupping up, recovering it back while recovering the full GTA 5 game again. Okay, so there is nothing there is not any big issue here. It's just taking a little more of size, and just see whether it's present. Okay, it's present in the local disk app. Let me go back to this PC and let me go to the F, and here you can see, okay, so here it's showing the folder name recovery master. So I will double click on it, and here you can see it has the H, and there you have the Grand Theft Auto 5. So here you can see that it's completely recovered back the GTA 5 game after deleting it permanently from my PC, and in front of you I just recovered using the software called Recovery Master. So the same way you can follow for recovering all these files also, or any other file that you deleted accidentally from your PC, or from your any damaged pen drive, or from your crashed PC. So all type of file you can recover using this software. And let me just click on the OK and just go back to the home screen of the software, and you can see it has the all the storage devices is connected to my PC, whether my internal hard disk or my external SSD, or my any specific location that I want to choose for recovery process, or even you can just recover from any crashed PC. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video, and I hope you like it. And the same way you can just use for recovering any of your file from your PC or laptop or pen drive, or anything that you want to recover, you just use this Recovery Master software. The link is given in the description. Just go and just download it from there, and I hope you will find this video useful. Okay guys, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day, good luck, and bye, take care.